What if the biggest barrier to wealth isn't your income, education, or the economy, but the way you think about money? Many people work hard, earn more, and still feel like there's never enough. If you constantly worry about money, fear losing what you have, or feel stuck living paycheck to paycheck, you may be dealing with a scarcity mindset. In this video, I'll show you how to recognize it, overcome it, and start building the mindset that supports financial freedom in 2026 and beyond. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to build wealth, make smarter financial decisions, and move toward financial freedom, you're in the right place. If this content helps you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future financial education. Let's get into it. What is scarcity mindset? Scarcity mindset is the belief that there will never be enough. Not enough money, not enough opportunities, not enough success, not enough security. When people think this way, they make decisions from fear instead of possibility. They focus on protecting what they have instead of growing it. Scarcity is not just about low income. Some high earners still think this way. Common signs you have a scarcity mindset include worrying about money even when bills are paid, avoiding investing because you fear losing money, comparing yourself to everyone else, believing wealthy people are just lucky, seeing education or skills as too expensive, feeling like someone else's success takes away your chance. If any of this sounds familiar, don't panic. Mindsets can change. Why this matters more than ever. In 2026, the world is changing fast. AI is creating new opportunities. Remote work is expanding access. Digital businesses can start with little money. Investing is easier to access than ever. But many people still believe they have no options. The difference is often not access, it's perspective. People with an abundance mindset look for solutions. People with a scarcity mindset focus only on problems. 5 practical ways to overcome scarcity mindset. Step 1, change your internal language. Pay attention to how you speak to yourself. Instead of saying, I'll never be wealthy, say, I'm learning the skills that build wealth. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, ask, how can I afford it? That small shift moves your brain from limitation to problem solving. Step 2, invest in yourself. First, one of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Read books, take courses, learn new skills, improve communication, build leadership, increase your financial knowledge. Every skill you gain can increase your earning potential. Knowledge compounds just like money. Step 3, practice gratitude daily. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude trains your mind to notice abundance instead of lack. When you focus on what you already have, you become better at seeing new opportunities. Step 4, stop comparing yourself to others. Social media makes it look like everyone is winning. Bigger homes, better cars, luxury trips. But you're usually seeing a highlight reel, not the full story. Your journey is your own. Compare yourself to who you were last year, not to someone else online. Small progress, repeated consistently, creates big results. Step 5, build evidence that you're growing. Confidence doesn't come from positive thinking alone. It comes from action. Start saving consistently. Invest regularly. Pay down debt. Learn one new financial concept each week. Track your progress. Every small win becomes proof that you're moving forward. Success builds confidence, and confidence changes your mindset. Remember this powerful truth. Your income matters, but your mindset shapes what you do with it. A scarcity mindset creates fear. An abundance mindset creates learning. A scarcity mindset sees limits. An abundance mindset sees possibilities. For the next 30 days, commit to these habits. Read for 15 minutes every day. Save or invest something each week, even if it's only $10. Write down 3 things you're grateful for daily. Replace negative money thoughts with solution-focused questions. Learn one new financial concept every week. By the end of the month, your thinking will start to shift. And when your thinking changes, your decisions change. When your decisions change, your financial future changes. Remember this, wealth begins in the mind before it shows up in the bank account. The most valuable investment you can make is developing a mindset that believes growth is possible. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You just need to take one step forward. The future belongs to people who believe they can create it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs encouragement on their financial journey. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments.